Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add filter in Ometv Android. So as you can see, this is the official app of Ometv. So you can just download the app from your App Store or Play Store. And now if you want to add filter in Ometv, so you will see all these options. So once you're logged in with your account, so you can see all these like stars and messages and the chat option where you can just join and enjoy the app. So if you want to use filter, you won't be able to do it in your mobile phone, as you won't see any options. As you can see, just you will see these options in your app, and you won't be able to add any kind of filters in the mobile app. However, if you want to add filters and change something, then you must join from desktop mode from your laptop or PC and use the camera. So once you join from any browser on your laptop or like PC and join as a guest, like as you can see, just make sure to log in with your account on the web page. And once you log in with your account, you will see an option the filters. It will be named filter. So just choose the filter, and once you choose the filter, you can add filter and change certain things, but you cannot do those things in the mobile phone. So just make sure to join from the desktop mode, and that is a simple and easy process of how you can add filter in Ometv.